Moonlight is an open source game streaming client implementing NVIDIA's Game Stream protocol. It supports up to 4K HDR streaming and 120 FPS, letting you play PC games on many devices, even mobile or TV. Steam Link or Steam Remote Play is Valve's built in streaming solution. It ties into your Steam library and works through Steam's client infrastructure. It started as hardware, then shifted fully to software. In tests like on TechSpot, both offer low latency and good image quality, but Moonlight edges ahead in supporting higher refresh rates and smoother motion, while Steam Link caps out at 60 Hz in many configurations. User comments on Reddit and forums echo this. Many report that Moonlight feels crisp and low lag in fast paced games, whereas Steam Link sometimes suffers stutters or frame drops, especially under wireless or bandwidth strain. That said, Steam Link has advantages tighter integration with Steam, such as library, overlays, controller mapping, and simpler setup for Steam games. Moonlight demands more configuration and must work with host software, example GeForce Experience or Sunshine. So, if performance, high frame rates, and smoothness matter most, Moonlight usually wins. But if you want a plug and play Steam ecosystem experience with less fuss, Steam Link remains a solid option, which offers better game streaming. Moonlight or Steam Link.